Welcome back, dear friends, to Taslima Maya Art. I'm Taz. It's wonderful to have you here. I have to tell you, I'm super excited about a new collaboration with Let's Resin. I'll be doing an unboxing today with Let's Resin Products. I hope you enjoy this. Don't forget, you can join me on Patreon for exclusive content or one-to-one support on your own creative journey. A big thank you goes out to all my subscribers, viewers and Patreon members, including Laurie Shaw, Let's Pour with Patty and BCC Arts. Thank you for your support. Hey creators! Today I'm unboxing a super exciting package from Let's Resin. They kindly sent over a variety of goodies perfect for resin art, DIY projects and a few surprises that I can't wait to dive into. So let's get started! So this is the box I'm going to be taking everything out of, just arrived, and I'll show you each item one by one. First up, we have the cordless drill. I'm just going to open it up for you to have a look inside. And I don't actually have a smaller cordless drill for my smaller resin art project, so this is going to be amazingly useful. I'll just take everything out of the box to have a look at it. Oh, a deburring tool as well, I've just noticed that. So it's got a deburring tool there. And this is the cordless drill. Obviously it needs, oh, it doesn't need batteries, it's already ready. So it's got 3 different speeds on it by the looks of it, which is fabulous. And it's got all of the bits that I need in here as well. So I can see the different sizes of the drill parts there, which I can use for each of my resin projects. So if I'm making pendants and keychains, this is going to be super useful. Thank you so much for this one. I really actually needed this, so it's really helpful. Let's pop that away. On to the next item. Okay, so the next item is actually Let's Resin's epoxy resin. This is the 1:1 ratio one. It's bubble free, crystal clear, self-leveling and mold friendly. Okay, so perfect for those molds I'm going to do. It's 500 milliliters in here, I think. So yeah, it says that on the box. And let's have a look at these two. Oh, they're super cute. Okay, so they're quite small but really useful. We mix together. That's really good. So I've got part A and part B. As you can see, fabulous. Take them out so you can see them better. So this is part A and this is part B. Okay. Of course, it wouldn't be a Let's Resin haul without the epoxy resin, known for its clarity, low bubbles and beginner-friendly formula. It's always a favourite of mine, so yes, it's perfect to go with everything else. I did need a lot more resin, I haven't got enough. I think most crafters say those same words. And then we've got a couple of measuring cups. These are really useful. I ran out of these as well, so thank you so much for those. That's fantastic. A few of the smaller little plastic mixing cups. And also, oh my gosh, look, they actually sent me mica powder. That's really great. I didn't know that came in the packet. How brilliant is that? Oh my gosh. Not that I'm in need of mica powder as such, but these are different colours, I suppose. So it's great to have these colours. They're kind of, you know, colours that are used quite commonly. So, yep. So we've got bluish green, golden, dark purple, dark blue, watermelon red and black. So that's fantastic. I'll be definitely using those. Thank you. There's a couple of more mixing sticks in here as well, I noticed. So you can never have enough of those, can you really? And also some basic instructions of how to use resin and tips to reduce bubbles and keeping things clean, how to avoid sticky and bendy resin. So that's really useful. Cold weather resin tips as well. I think I need those because I live in Britain. So in the United Kingdom we have a lot of cold weather and we have a lot of issues with getting our resin to work for us. So there's that. What's up next? Next up, my friends, we've got the chrome markers. This is a set of 3. So it's gold, silver and copper, and again really useful for things like making resin jewellery and small resin crafts. So I'm really glad they sent me these. This is brilliant. So look at these, they're waterproof and they're perfect, and the kind of metallic effect is lovely. Mirror reflective effect, it says on there. So I can't wait to trial these and show you how they work. These would be perfect for detailing. For example, maybe metallic accents on dragon scales, outlines or even signature work. I can put signatures in the bottom of my paintings with these. They say they're reflective and I'm sure they'll add a bold finish to my pieces. So yeah, brilliant. If you're interested, you can use the coupon code or the link that I have, referral link, down in the description box, and you can actually purchase your own. The next up is this, and I'm so glad they sent me this, I have to be honest. This is brilliant, okay? So most of you who do a lot of resin might already know what this is. I've got lots of little UV lights. I love that this is designed to work on all sides, so you get an even cure every time. So I'm looking forward to testing this out and doing lots of jewellery on it, and it's so exciting. I can't wait to see it and open it up. So let's do that now. And all the products are very well packaged and got there in record time. I think it was 4 days from when my lovely contact in Let's Resin said she was going to send it out. Oh yes, can't wait. Oh, look at that, it's blue. Okay, that's fabulous. And we've got a shelf as well. That's great. So I can put lots of little projects onto that. And this is what it looks like, okay? Get this off. So that's the top, and you can see all the lights there as well underneath. This is fantastic. I really wanted this, so I'm so glad that they agreed to send it to me to test out. So there's the bottom as well. So we've got 2 minutes, 3 minutes and 5 minutes showing on this one, so it's clearer. 2 minutes, 3 minutes and 5 minutes, and the on button. So it's really simple to operate. You just keep pressing the on button to get to the different time scales. So that's fabulous. We've also obviously got a little manual as well on how to use this. Okay, so there's a cable in there which connects to it, and you can place lots of different resin products in there, UV products, to cure under the UV light. Really good manual as well. Okay, fabulous. And last but not least, we've got a couple of silicone molds they've sent me. Let's look at the one on the left to begin with. And what a perfectly sized little jar and lid silicone mould. I think it's a screw on top, so we'll see. Isn't that lovely? So you pour into this part, and that's the lid as well, so that looks really great. I can't wait to make something. I mean, think about all of the different things you can put in there as different additives and things you could add to the resin. Glitter, crushed glass, all sorts of different things. Dry goods going to be put into here. It's super elegant and functional, and it would make a great gift for a home decor piece, especially with some dried flowers in it or some colour shift pigments maybe. So it's something to think about. So that's a lovely little silicone jar mould to keep your knickknacks in. I think the top actually screws on to that. I can't wait to use it. So on to the next one. Oh, okay. Let's have a look at what this one is. Oh, how cute! Oh my goodness! Look at this one. Oh! See no evil, hear no evil, speak no evil. I got them the wrong way round. Oh, look at these cute little baby dragon moles. I don't know if you can see, but they are gorgeous. And look at them. That's fabulous. You put them upside down and you pour into that end. They're going to look fantastic when they're done, aren't they? Wow. That is brilliant. Honestly, I think they're adorable. 3 baby dragon moles. I'm obsessed with the detail in these as well. I can already picture adding some iridescent flakes or glow pigments to make them magical. So something to look forward to making and crafting on the channel with you guys. So that's lovely. I love them. So guys, that's everything. A huge thank you to Let's Resin for sending me all of these to try out. I'll be using these in upcoming projects, so stay tuned to see how they turn out. Let me know which product you want to see in action first. Is it the baby dragons, the really cute baby dragons, or is it the tea light holder, or something else entirely? So links to all the products are in the description, and don't forget to follow if you love resin art, tips and DIY ideas. Bye for now. Oh, and don't forget, every Saturday at 5 PM EST, 10 PM UK, I have a collaboration called the Creative Art Collective. So do join us for some great art and some fun in the live chat.